Nothing Phone 1 is set to be released on June 23, 2022. Let's see the details of this phone. This mobile comes with an immersive 6.43 inches display that have full HD plus 90Hz AMOLED display HDR10+ support with the resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels so that you can enjoy watching movies or playing games with a crystal clear view. This phone has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. That will be able to store your huge amount of data and other stuff without worrying about space constraints. Nothing Phone 1 feature a triple camera setup at the back that includes 50-megapixel primary sensor plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor and a 2-megapixel sensor. For front of the phone offer a 32-megapixel selfie camera. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 778G chipset to power this phone. This smartphone is equipped with octa-core 2.4 GHz, single-core, Cryo 670 plus 2.2 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 670 plus 1.9 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 670 processor so that you can enjoy a smooth and lag-free performance while using apps and playing games. For graphic handling, the phone has an Adreno 642L GPU. This phone is also pre-installed Android V12 operating system and powered by 4500 mAh battery. Hence, you will be able to watch movies and videos, listen songs, and playing games, and using other stuff without worrying about battery drain. In addition, this phone also included these features such as 5G, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth 5, light sensor, proximity sensor and accelerometer. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.